welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Celebration, Florida, and we'll be touring a room and exploring Delta Hotels by Marriott Celebration. So this is one of two pools, and I'm not sure if the other one is heated and this one isn't. I haven't seen anybody in this one, but the other one's been full of kids. And we'll see that one in a minute. For most of the time that we've been here, despite the cold weather. So this is a really nice pool area. It's got a slide over there. It's a waterfall. And they have a poolside bar over there called the Rum Shack. This right here is the Rum Shack, which is poolside by the Cascade Pool. And then right back over here, it's like a little seating area. It's really nicely set up. And I'm guessing this over here is a little hot tub. Has the handicap lift to get handicapped people in and out of the pool. Almost right next to the pool is the ice cream shack, and I guess they open this up during the day so you can get ice cream sandwiches, strawberry shortcake bar, Magnum bars, all kind of good stuff to eat by the poolside. Our room is 6712. And we'll start with the basic room features. We have a peephole, we have a safety latch, and we have an electronic deadbolt, do not disturb sign. And we'll do a quick overview of the room. It's kind of a basic room. As we enter here, we have a closet, and inside the closet we have a luggage rack, ironing board and iron, little rack up here to store stuff and hang things from. Down here we have an electronic safe and hangers, laundry bag, and laundry service. Then as we come in here, we get the ice bucket, glasses. These are actually glasses. A couple of plastic cups, 2 bottles of water, single cup coffee maker, and then all the stuff to make the coffee with. We get a nice mirror here that's almost full length, but not quite. There's a door to an adjoining room here, which we don't have, so it's locked, hopefully. Door automatically deadbolts, lead turn lever for privacy. So we get a king bed here, and this right here, this is one of those rooms with a doorbell. I guess for the hearing impaired, there's a button outside, and I think this flashes, and it probably makes sound too if you ring the doorbell. There's a visual fire alarm as well, smoke detector, and the sprinkler you're not allowed to hang anything from. We have thermostatic air here. And let's see, so next to the bed, we have a single drawer, nothing underneath. And then over here, same thing. And we have, of course, being a Marriott, it's got the Book of Mormon and the Bible. And we get a power outlet on the lamp. We get a telephone. The other lamp also has a power outlet, if you can see that far. We get the decent-sized television, greets me by name, and remote control. We have this open space here, so if you bring your VCR, your Betamax player, you can put it there. empty drawers, and an Abso-Cold refrigerator. And it is absolutely cold. Now the room is lacking a microwave. Another mirror up on the wall, I guess just for decoration. And we have a little two-seater table with a lamp, and the lamp has power outlet and USB. And this is the air conditioning unit, which is controlled by the thermostat over there. We get a nice little chair with a table to sit at. So let's check out the bathroom. So back here by the front door we have a bathroom. And in the bathroom, nice full-size mirror, and it's well lit in this bathroom. We got some bar soap, hot and cold running water, box of Kleenex, some body lotion. These are washcloths here, I guess. We got the full assortment of bath and hand towels. We have a toilet. And the toilet flushes. And one thing this room has is a functional exhaust fan. It's controlled by the single switch that turns on the lights. There's no way to shut it off, so you got that noise from the exhaust fan all the time when the light's on. We have a full bathtub, straight shower curtain rod, and these are the exact same hangers for the shower curtain we have at home that I bought on Amazon for like $4. We have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash with argan oil. Big old fancy shower head. So let's check out this shower head here. Somebody's got it on the jet setting here. These things are never easy to adjust. Wow, it's impossible to adjust. Oh, I see, it's got like a ratchet type thing. There we go, and that's like the rainfall shower. So let's check out the view. So we got floor to ceiling windows here, and the view is mostly of the parking lot. At least that's what it looks like from the daytime. If you look out over there, that's looking pretty much west. Disney's All-Star Resort is somewhere over that way. I don't know if that's what those tall street lights are for. That might be the interstate, or that might be a parking lot for one of the Disney things. But we'll take a look at this during the daylight. So this is our daylight view of the parking lot, and there's not really that much to see. There's a empty slab over here to the right where they must have torn something down. There must have been a resort or something right next door. Actually, over there, it looks like the remnants of an old bank or something with a drive-through. But whatever's across the interstate, you really can't see from here. So I remembered seeing that little bank drive-through thing before, and I did a little bit of research, and I found out that what was next door to here was once Orlando's largest hotel. It was called the Orlando Sun Resort. And over the years, we've seen countless videos on YouTube of urban explorers going into this place. Most notably Exploring with Josh and Adam the Woo. And although it appears something's been demolished here, maybe that was just a parking lot, the buildings for the Orlando Sun Resort are still visible over there behind the trees. So that's what this is the abandoned Orlando Sun Resort. And if you've ever watched urban exploration videos on YouTube, you've probably seen it too. So it's cool that this is right next door to where we're staying. So this is the abandoned Orlando Sun Resort, and that's the weird bank looking thing that nobody's ever really been able to explain, but you can walk right into it from our hotel parking lot. And way off in the distance, I'm not going in there, you may be able to see, or maybe not, the buildings that are still standing. Only the elevator on the right works for some reason. The elevator on the left hasn't worked the whole time we've been here. We'll finish out this video with an elevator ride for the elevator fans on our channel. Thanks for watching. It's quite a noisy elevator. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.